There are quite a few professional options available for us during our time abroad. First, let's introduce them. Then we can dig deeper and figure out which of these options are relevant for you. So, we can work in our profession, either as full-time or part-time employees. We can also retrain and start a new career path, also full-time or part-time. We can start a local business, an online business, or become freelancers. We can work in our spouse's organization. That is not available for everyone, but some organizations offer that as well. We can study, either a full academic degree, a specific course, or anything in between. We can volunteer somewhere. And lastly, we can stay at home as homemakers or just rest and take a long vacation. Some of these options may be desirable for you, but we have to remember that our wishes are only a part of the considerations. Most expat spouses have external circumstances that limit us in some way. For example, if you want to work in your profession, but your qualifications are not recognized by the host country, you'll have to get qualified locally before you can even begin looking for a job as an independent professional. If you wish to open a local clinic, but you will stay abroad for only a year, you should consider that establishing a reputation and clientele takes time. Of course, you can also choose more than one solution. For example, working part-time and studying, or dedicating the first 3 months to being the homemaker while helping your children settle in, and then starting a business. Next, we'll go over some important things to consider while reviewing these options. Then we'll discuss each option in more detail and finally zone in on the option or options that are the best solution for you.